Hello, welcome back to LuitBiz DMS, the best and the easiest software to manage your legal case documents. Now, in my last video, I promised that I'm going to show you how to do the document version control and a host of other functionalities in the document detail page. The first thing that I would now today want to show you is document version control. Now, this you must be familiar with by now is the document detail page of the document. So here I click on this tab called Modification, Version Control, Approval and Tagging. And if I come down on that page, on that tab, I see this box called Version Control. Here you will see that we have 4 buttons: Download Document, Upload Document, Log Document, and Rollback Document. Now you'll see that Upload is inactive and Download is active. So once I click on Download Document, the system downloads the document to my hard drive. I click on Download again, it just confirms it one more time and it downloads it to my hard drive. Then I can go back to my hard drive, make the modifications, and now if I go back to the document detail page, I see this extra orange box out here which tells me that if you had difficulties in downloading the document, you can re-download it by clicking here, because you might have some internet problems while downloading. Then you can re-download it out here. Or if you have downloaded the document by mistake, you can cancel the download by clicking on this link. Because now what has happened is, now if I click on this tab and go to the version control box, I see that here only upload document is active for me, whereas the other 3 has become inactive, and the other people who have access to download the document and make modifications won't be able to do so. They'll just be able to view the document out here, but here they can't download or upload it. So I need to upload the document first, my modified documents, so that the other people who have access to actually download the document and modify it can do so. Now I go to upload document. There again, the fields in the green section are mandatory and we have just 2 fields out there. First field is, you need to select the document and then you need to put in your change comments. You can add as much comments as you want and click on the submit button. Now once you do so, it asks you to click here and go back to the document detail page, and now here you will see that the version number, active version number out here is version number 2. So whenever you click on this red link or this blue link, the document that you will be seeing is the version 2. But where is version 1? Well, it has moved down to document history. So you can see version 1 out here in document history. Now in the version control box under this tab, there was another thing called log document. Now what is log document is, suppose you have had enough of version control in that particular document, enough of upload and download, so you can go ahead and log the version control mechanism out here. To do so, just click on log document and say yes out here. And now if you go back to the document detail page, you will see that the log document has vanished and it has toggled to unlock document, and both download and upload has become inactive. So now again, to make them active, I can toggle it back to log document. So once I do so, I'll see that the document version control mechanism has become active again. The last thing out here is rollback document. If you feel that version 2 is not the correct version, probably version 1 is the correct version, you can roll it back to version 1 to be the correct version, so that version 2 moves down to history and version 1 becomes the active version out here. So you see the active version out here is version 1 and version 2 has moved down to history. So in this system, you can have as many versions of the documents as you wish. There's no limit on that. The next thing that I would like to show you is document related documents. Now in this, under this tab, modification, version control, approval and tagging, there is another box out here called related documents. Here you can relate the different case documents, because pertaining to a case you'll have so many documents which are related to one another and which you would be wanting to see from the same place rather than searching for each of them one by one. So you can do so out here. You can add your related documents out here. So it shows that I have another document in that particular folder which I want to relate. So I say yes, submit. And now if I go back to the document detail page and go back to this tab and see view related documents, I can see that this particular document which is related to it appear out here. And if I want to view the document, I can view it out here, or I can download it out here and view the document. So this way, the related document and the version control mechanism works in LuitBiz DMS. So please try out these functionalities, and if you have any questions, you know exactly where to go. You either check out the video guides or you go back to home and then go to LuitBiz Help and ask us a question, and we'll get back to you ASAP. So please try out this functionality of version control and related documents. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask us. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.